Oh, who am I kidding? I'm not reading the book, and you know why? Because fall and Halloween are right around the corner. Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and if there's some season that really makes me come to life, it's the Halloween and fall season. But this year, I'm not doing it alone. No. I am going to have 4 of my magical friends join me. I mean, some people kind of call them witchy, but we'll let it go. They're just magical, entrancing, and enchanting. And they all have a different way to celebrate the fall and Halloween season. So I hope you find a way that you like to celebrate fall and Halloween with one of them. Shall we meet the ladies? Here they are. Hi, it's me, Aurora. Ready to get things sparkly? Let's go. Hello, love. Maggie's my name, and fall is my game. Come in for a cup of tea. Hi, I'm Rita. I'm your witch next door. I love vintage Halloween. Welcome, I'm Rain. I love dark academia and all things gothic. Join me for Halloween. Well, Rain, since you seem so enthusiastic, why don't you start us off with some witchy wands? Your style, dark academia. Well, okay. Hi, I'm Rain, as in autumn rain. I know, my parents, right? Anyway, so we're gonna make a witchy wand a la dark academia style. Here all I did was I took some of those wooden sticks that you get at Dollar Tree. I guess they're called dowels, like bowels, but they're dowels. I kind of like that word. And all I'm doing is I'm sharpening the point of my witchy wand. Not sharp enough to like poke anybody with it, but just enough to be spooky maybe. Now I'm using some hot glue from my Bonder glue gun. Indiana Jones really loves her Bonder glue gun, that's for sure. So I'm going to make a handle for my witchy wand. And of course I want it to be something gothic and stylish. So here I am using a silicone mold to create a gothic wand handle. Say wand handle a lot. It's not like a love handle. It's a wand handle. So here I am, I don't know, picking at the thing, but Indiana Jones really has to change her nail polish. It's got paint all over it. But anyway, there's the wand handle. Again, we like that word. And all she's going to do is use the hot tip of the hot glue gun to just, fix up the wand handle. Now here, we're creating some vines because I thought it looked really cool. And once we're done painting that, we painted it all black. Now, did we get me painting it black? No, but that's all right. Now we're going to use some of this wonderful plaid folk art silver to go over the wand handle once again and just give it some highlights so you can see how pretty that is. Now I'm using this material and I don't even know what it is. Got it in the mail. Said, let me try it out. But basically it's like paint, but it's paint with like silicone. I guess you could use like, kind of think of like t-shirt paint, like puffy t-shirt paint, but it's not puffy. But it's just, I love it. I can make my own little silver leaves and continue intertwining my, what is it called? My vines. That's it. Now, what am I doing? Oh, what is she doing actually? Indiana Jones. Oh, that's really pretty. She's adding these little metal roses. Look, oh, that's very romantic goth. I like that. Very clever of her to use that ribbon roll to hold up the wand as she adds these embellishments. Look how pretty. Wow, that really turned out very nice. Very proud of you, Indiana Jones. I hope you try making this one yourself. Oh, wait, there's more. Hold on. She put some shimmer on it. Hey, I thought that was Aurora's job, but I guess she did a really nice job. It's like a black glitter paint. Love it, love it, love it. Very sweet, very romantic. So glad you liked it. Hey, now it's time for Maggie to help me describe how I made a cottagecore wand for her. Well, hello. I'm so glad you can join me. Here we're making a cottagecore wand. What is a cottagecore wand? What is cottagecore? I hear that question being asked a lot, especially around the internet. Basically, cottagecore is like farmhouse, but prettier. That's what I think, anyway. So here, we just took a stick. Yes, a stick from the garden. And we're using these little mushrooms, these wooden little mushrooms. Aren't they adorable? They're so lovely. I believe she got this at the store of dollars, the Dollar Tree. That's it. I wonder if Dollar Tree is a cottagecore kind of place. I mean, there are trees there. Is it not a Dollar Tree? Anyway, let's get back to the wand. Now we're going to use some Spanish moss. I don't know why it's called Spanish moss. I guess it speaks Spanish or it understands Spanish. I don't know. I don't even know how to say moss in Spanish. I know how to say mold, but not moss. Anyway, we digress. We'll put some moss of different types. We have the green type of moss, and we have that Spanish moss. And now we're going to decorate these lovely little mushrooms. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. Is it a little troll living under the mushroom? Or is there a fairy? Maybe? Well, I am a little bit of a fairy, a cottage fairy if you'd like. Not as much of a fairy as, of course, Aurora, our resident fairy. But yes, I enjoy, a little bit of good wish making, of course. Good wish making. Good wish making. Say that 10 times. Anywho, let's continue and make a little wand handle. I didn't know what to make as a wand handle, and I found this fabric that I had that kind of looks a little bit like wood, but it's furry. I don't know how to explain it. It was in her stash. So here I am making the wand as rustic as can be, and then we're going to use a bit of raffia. There we go, some raffia to tie it all together, literally. Beaded vine that is at the Dollar Tree as well. So I think it's coming together nicely now. And here is our magical wand with toadstools, mushrooms, little flowers, a little touch of autumn, a little touch of cottagecore, but a lot of magical fun. I hope you try to make this one as well. For this vintage retro wand, I have to be honest with you, I took a bit of a break and I used the wand that was given to me as a gift by PlaidFX last year. I thought it was a lovely wand to have in the collection, and here I am receiving it during a live unboxing, and I was just so thrilled to have these wonderful witchy accessories for Halloween last year. Thanks, Plaid. And last but certainly not least, we have Aurora with some shabby chic or glam ideas. Oh, thank you so much, Indiana Jones. I wanted a wand of my own that would glow and gleam, just like everything that I want to make this Halloween. Oh, and it rhymed. So what she did here is take one of those sippy straws that you have that you can find at the Dollar Tree. It's made of the hard plastic. Now she's using hot glue and a silicone mold and also a bit of sparkling, shimmering glitter. She's creating a wand handle, can you believe it, from a glue gun stick from hot glue. So what we did here is we put it together and we built it around a cork light up string or strand that you can get at the Dollar Tree. It was perfect to fit in the wand handle and perfect to slip these little lights right into the wand itself, or that straw that we all like to call it. And all she had to do is glue it into place once she's maneuvered all the little lights into the straw. It's simple enough with the hot glue. It's molding the handle right around that clear straw. Now at the end of it, we found a crystal and we thought, how perfect. Let's add a sparkling, gleaming crystal at the end of the wand and just glue it with a little bit of hot glue or a little bit of E6000 or Gorilla Glue. What you forgot to show here is that we painted the wand and the handle with Folk Art Extreme Glitter. It dries clear, so all that's left behind is this beautiful holographic glitter. Don't know if you can see it here, but it is lovely. And all I have to say now is a little bit of bippity boppity boo to make your dreams for Halloween come true. So, what did you think? Do you think any of these 4 ladies will be helpful for you this fall and Halloween season? I really hope so. And I hope you come back on every Wednesday for something I like to call Witchy Wednesdays from now until October 31st. That's right up until Halloween. Anyway, I hope you get inspired to celebrate fall and Halloween with me this year. And as I always say, stay safe. Be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. Oh, let me go back to pretending to read my book. He did the mash, he did the monster mash, the monster mash. And my